Hello, everyone. Welcome back to 100 Days of Coding with Derrick Redeemer. This is day 30 of our 100 Days of Coding journey. Congratulations. We have successfully completed 30 days of learning HTML. And today's topic is just HTML module review, challenge, and final project. And I think we did that in the previous video. From the very first lesson where we created our first HTML page to building a complete multi-page website, you have made incredible progress. Today's lesson is a special one. Instead of learning a brand new topic, we are going to review everything we have learned, complete a final coding challenge, build one final HTML project, prepare the next module, that's CSS. Let's get started. By the end of this lesson, we should be able to review the major HTML concepts, build a complete HTML website without guidance, identify a correct common HTML mistakes, prepare for learning CSS. Let's take a moment to appreciate how far you have come. During the past 30 days, you have learned HTML basics. What HTML is, HTML document structure, HTML elements, HTML tags, HTML attributes. Then we also talk about the text formatting. Under the text formatting, you have headings, paragraphs, line breaks, horizontal rules, text formatting. All right. So here, let me include. Okay, let's go. Then links and images. Links and images. Under the links and images, we include hyperlinks, images, relative facts. Then we also talk about lists. Under list, we talk about ordered list, unordered list, description lists. Then we also talk about table. Under table, we create what? Tables, rows, columns, headings, table cells, then table captions as well. Then we look at forms. Under forms, we look at input fields. We look at the form itself, labels, buttons, radio buttons, checkboxes, drop-down list, text areas, required fields. Then the page structure. The page structure. We talk about divs, spans, semantic HTML, header, main, section, article, aside, and footer. Then when you take the multimedia, you talk about audio, video, then iframes. We also look at other topics as well. That's HTML entities, favicons, file organization, HTML best practices. Then the project we built about me project, we complete the multi-page website. That is an amazing achievement. So here I'm going to give you a project. I'm going to give you a project, and I would like you to join my join my WhatsApp page or WhatsApp group using the link on my description. So when you tap on my profile or when you go to my channel, you see links there. You tap on it, just tap on it, and you go to the WhatsApp group, and you join the WhatsApp group. It is community, so you can join. So now it is your turn. Without copying today's example, build your own website. Your website should include home page, about page, contact page. Each page should contain headings, paragraph, images, hyperlinks, list, table, forms, the form, that's contact page, in the contact page. And then video, audio, Google Map, footer. Also include a favicon, proper folder organization, meaningful file names, semantic HTML elements. You have to include all these ones. All right. So your folder should look like this. Your folder should look like this. Something similar to this. Your folder structure should be like this. All right. This structure keeps projects organized and easy to manage. When you are done, before you say your project is complete, check the following. Do all navigation links work? Are all images displaying correctly? Does the video play? Does the audio play? Does the Google Map appear? Does the contact form display correctly? Is your favicon showing? If the answer is yes, to all of this, you have done an excellent job. So imagine you are asked to build a website for a school, church, a business, or a restaurant, or a personal portfolio. Everything you have learned in HTML provides the foundation for creating those websites. As you continue learning CSS and JavaScript, you'll be able to make them more beautiful and attractive. Don't stop practicing after this module. Try building for your school, your church, your favorite football club. My favorite football club is Barcelona, so I'll try to do something. Just some rough work. Then your business, if you're doing any business, you can build some short something small for them or for your business. Then your personal portfolio as well. Every new project will improve your coding skills. So you can build anything you want. Now let's look at some common mistakes we make. We have to avoid these mistakes. Forgetting to close HTML tags. I'll be talking about this thing several. Using incorrect file paths. This and the same thing. Misspelling the names. I told you the uppercase is different from the lowercase. Not testing your website regularly. You have to test your website regularly. That's why web browsers are there. Any web browser you use, you'll still get it. Putting everything inside one folder instead of organizing your files. Again. Mistake 3. Forgetting to use semantic HTML elements. Now create a HTML website from scratch without watching any previous lessons. Use as many HTML elements as possible. When you are done, test every page. Fix any error you find. Ask friends to test your website as well. You can send it to me to test. So when you are done, we'll post it on GitHub. We'll post it on GitHub. Or you can just test it. If you have trust issue, don't send it to me. You can just test it and send a screenshot to me. So my number, when you join the group, you see my number. So 0257 863736, that's my number. Okay. This challenge will help you discover how much you have really learned Over the past 30 days, you have learned how to build web pages, create hyperlinks, uh, display images, build tables, create forms, add multimedia, embedded other web pages, organize projects, follow HTML best practices, build complete HTML page website. You now have a strong foundation. Now, what is next? Our HTML journey ends here. But this is only the beginning of web development. Starting in day 31, we'll begin learning CSS, that's cascading style sheets. You know how to add colors, change fonts, style buttons, design layouts, create beautiful web pages, add animations, build a responsive website. You will transform the HTML website you have built into modern, professional looking websites. I want to say thank you for staying committed throughout these 30 days. Whether you have watched every lesson, completed every challenge, or you are catching up now, you have taken an important step towards becoming a web developer. Remember, coding is a skill that grows with practice. Keep coding, keep building, keep experimenting, and keep learning. Before you go, if you have enjoyed the HTML module, like this video, leave a comment sharing your favorite HTML topics. Share this series with someone who wants to learn coding. Subscribe to the channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss the start of our CSS module. Congratulations once again on completing the HTML module of 100 Days of Coding with Derrick Redeemer. I'm proud of the effort you have put in, and I'm excited to continue this journey with you. Thank you for being part of this amazing community. I will see you in day 31, where we will begin our exciting journey into CSS. Until then, keep learning, keep practicing, and keep coding. Happy coding.